Well, today is kind of a sad day. Came out to do a little weed eating, and I look over and I see a baby bird. This is one of the 3 baby birds that were up in the nest, and there's the nest. Mama's actually up there. So the baby bird's still alive. As you can see, there's movement, so got a little box. I don't know how bad it is, how hurt it is, but I'm gonna try to do something to help it out a little bit. I'm gonna get some gloves. Even though the myth is not true that if you touch a bird with your bare hands, the mom will reject it. Mom won't actually reject it. That's actually a myth. So I'm not sure how badly hurt the baby is. But we're gonna try to, one, get the piss ants off of it. There's piss ants that are crawling all over them. So that's probably being a little hurtful and not fun. And we're gonna examine, put it in the box, and then hopefully in a little bit we'll be able to get Mama to go and put the baby back in. I'm not sure how well it's gonna work, but only thing we can do is try, so let's get started. Alright, I got a glove on. I'm not exactly sure how to pick up a little baby bird like this, so I'm just thinking, just gonna grab it very softly and put it into the box. Come here, baby. Come here. I know. Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, look at you. Oh, you're just a little thing. Oh, sorry. There we go. Oh, I think it's trying to sit up. Oh, poor little baby bird. I think the best thing to do is to try to put it back in the nest. I don't know how we're going to get Mama to go out of her way, though, to put the baby bird in the nest. I'm not sure how a baby bird's supposed to lay, so I'm kind of worried about that. Looks like he's doing okay right there. There's still an ant on him. I'm sure that's really, really annoying. Try to somehow get the ant off. I don't know if it's shaking because it's in pain, if it's hurt, or if it's tired, or what's going on. Maybe it's cold. It's probably cold, that's what I'm thinking. I don't know what to do with this little ants. Well, alright, I'm gonna try to get rid of these ants off of the body. Don't know if I'll get some tweezers maybe or something, but I think little buddy's cold. It's another one. And yeah, so let's try to help this little guy out. I'm gonna try to get access with my other hand to help out a little more. Oh, hold on, buddy. So I'll be right back. Well, I got Mama to leave, but that's Dad. And this is the actual nest because there's 2 babies in there, and there were 3. So Dad is very unhappy. He has some type of food in there. Luckily, I have a little step stool, and I'm gonna try to do this without Dad absolutely getting angry at me. Babies, I killed all the ants, so there's baby. He's cold or hungry or something, I'm not exactly sure. Still alive, still doing something. I need to do something quick though, because I don't know how much longer the bird has. I don't know if it's getting really cold and maybe it'll die that way, but we'll have to keep an eye on this nest for probably the next couple days, just to see if this baby actually makes it or not. Hopefully the baby does make it, but we're about to find out. So I'm gonna go ahead, put the baby in the nest, and hope Dad doesn't try to go after me. So I'll keep you guys updated. All right, be right back. Well, I managed to get the baby bird back in. Mama, our dad, is pissed. And honestly, not even scared at all of me, which is pretty crazy. I feel like I need to go back up and maneuver. I'm just scared of Dad freaking pecking me in the face or something. Yeah, there's Mom or Dad, I'm not sure which. Baby's in there. Not perfect, but I don't know if that's the right way for a baby to be or not. Will you go somewhere? I'm trying to help you out. So I don't know if I should just walk away now, just leave it alone. I think that's Mama, and you know, just let nature do what it does. Well, I came back, it's been about an hour. Dad's still pissed that I'm coming out and checking, but we have success. They got all three of them got situated, figured out, and looks like they're all breathing, still alive. So I will say this has been a success, and I'm pretty happy. I'm gonna leave them alone now, but I feel pretty good. I checked the ground, make sure there were no more babies, but I counted 3 altogether, and I'm kind of surprised that the baby could fall, you know, a good 6 feet and be okay. So I'm very happy, and yeah, we're gonna have some nice baby robins in the next couple months. So this is only the start of their journey, and they got many more days ahead of them. So anyways, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment. I don't do too many of these videos because they only happen once in a while, but when they do happen, I try to film as much as possible. But you know, I wanted to make sure that the baby was safe and happy and okay, so that's why I didn't get to do the filming of holding the baby or putting it back into the nest. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you're happy too and got a smile on your face. So I'll see you next time, and take it easy. Bye bye now.